The only beauty bundle you need for lunch date with your girls this Women's Day. In this flawless beauty bundle, you will get MyGlamm Pose HD Foundation. It has highly pigmented creamy formula and here I am using shade Warm Light Yellow. MyGlamm Satin Matte Lipstick and here I am using a very beautiful brown shade. It has 3D Satin Matte Finish. MyGlamm Glossy Liquid Eyeliner which is smudge-proof. MyGlamm Nail Enamel. Here I use shade Miss Sassy which is a nude shade. It has a really glossy finish. And this is my final look. In this bundle, you will also get a cute pouch which is quite spacious to keep all your makeup essentials. Don't forget to read caption for more details.